Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie. For today's video, we're going to be doing the Sephora Play unboxing. I got my box on Friday, I think it was, but my son didn't let me know that I got it, so I'd been looking for it like a crazy lady. And come to find out, it was sitting on my dining room table. Don't know how I missed it. I guess I was caught up in the moment. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and be doing the Sephora Play unboxing for the month of, what month are we in? May. If you don't know, Sephora Play is a $10 beauty subscription box that comes with, I think, 5 travel size or sample size products, and everything is sold by Sephora. If you want to sign up for Sephora Play, I will leave a link in the description box below. And then let's go ahead and get started. So this is what my box looks like. It comes with your playbook, and then it comes with a little makeup bag that holds the stuff. And I think the theme for this month was beauty goals. And it also comes with the 50 beauty insider points. And I think they were saying that for this month, you can use it either in stores or online. Usually you're only allowed to use your Play Pass inside stores. So that's pretty cool. And then this is just what the book looks like. It's just has like a bunch of beauty goals. That's me right there. That one's really me. So, and then it also comes with like a description of like what you got inside your box. So of course, I don't like surprises, so I already know what's inside my box. And I think the bag for this month is really cute too. It's like a denim kind of bag with a little red string. That's cute. So I'm just gonna dump it out and we'll go one by one. So the first thing I'm picking up is the Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar, and it just looks like that. And I will also go ahead and list all the products that I received in my Sephora Play in the description box below. And again, I've told you guys before, I'm not a big fan of receiving hair care products sometimes because I am careful about what I put in my hair. So I will probably more than likely end up passing that on. And then next that I see here is the POREfessionals primer, which I know that I absolutely love this primer. It is one of the good primers, especially right now that it's hot outside. This is a really good primer. Then next I got the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. And that's just what that looks like. And I am kind of excited when they include the Sephora brand stuff inside because I don't typically ever try them or hear anything about them. So that's really good. So I'm excited to try that. And the last facial cleanser that I got from them, I think it was a facial cleanser or toner or something, I really liked. So I'm excited to try that. Next, which you guys, I'm sure everyone knows that I love, is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Nior Major Volume Mask Mascara. I love this stuff so much, so I'm always happy to get it. This is like my backup for my backup for my backup, so that's good. And then I also got the Kat Von D Tattoo Waterproof Liquid Liner, which I have tried, and I do have the mini version of it. And it is a good eyeliner, so I am glad that I got another one. And then for my perfume sample this month, I got the Black Opium. I don't know if I said it right, but it came in a little bag like that. And like that. So this is a cute little bottle. I don't know how you open it, but I guess I'll figure it out. That is everything that I got in the Sephora Play for the month of May. I am going to say that I am a little bit disappointed because although I get it, like it's the beauty goals and it's supposed to be, things that everyone loves and stuff like that. What says this month marks 2 years of Sephora Play by Sephora to celebrate We compiled the beauty products that have stood the test of time with their incredible formulas and cult followings. So, I mean, of course, they're cult favorites. I'm just kind of disappointed that I didn't really get anything or so much new products. You know, like this stuff right here, I already know that I love, which is great. It is great, you know, that I have backups, and then I'm okay with the perfume sample. I don't mind that. And this, I'm not going to, you know, can I talk today? The hair stuff I'm not going to use because I'm picky about hair stuff. And then, so this is like the only new thing that I got to try. So, it could have been better. I'm going to give it like a 3, like in the middle, from a scale 1 being the worst and 5 being the best. I'm going to give it a 3 because I like most of the stuff, but I wish I would have got more new stuff. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you got in your Sephora play, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye, guys.